जय माँ भारती समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। आई हार्टली वेलकम यू टू द PMA समाचार चैनल from the international world. Alaska is a US state located on the northwest extremity of the country's west coast, just across the Bering Strait from Asia and exclave of the US. Its border the Canadian province of British Columbia and territory of Yukon to the east and southeast, and has a maritime border with Russia. Chukatay Autonomous Okrug to the west. To the north are the Chukchi and Beaufort Seas of the Arctic Ocean, while the Pacific Ocean lies to the south and southwest. Country on border dispute China-India dispute today. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh will talk in Parliament today. Education on CBSE syllabus based NEET examination. Environment. Indravati river is a tributary of the Godavari river in central India. The Indravati river is the stream of the river Godavari. Its starting point found to be the Ghats of Vidandakarna range from a hilltop village of Marinduga of Tumalua Rampur block in the Kalahandi district of the state of Odisha. Due to the amalgamation of three streams, the river follows a westerly path and enters Jagadal in the state of Chhattisgarh. The river moves from there in a southern route before eventually uniting with Godavari at the borders of the three states. Invention. A liquid crystal display is a flat panel display or other electronically modulated optical device that uses the light modulating properties of liquid crystals combined with polarizer. Liquid crystals do not emit light directly, instead using a backlight or reflector to produce images in colored or monochrome. LCDs are available to displays arbitrary images or fixed images with low information content, which can be displayed or hidden, such as preset words, digits and 7 season displays. As in a digital clock, they use the same basic technology, except that arbitrary images are made from a matrix of small pixels, while other displays have larger elements. Great person Sardar Gottu Latachana was born on 16th August 909. He was a veteran freedom fighter from India. He was member of Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly for 35 years from Sampeta constituency between 1948 to 83, and once member of Andhra Pradesh Legislative Council. He was a champion of Kishan backward classes figure sections and one of the most prominent leader of this time. The festivals of Meghalaya, Shadchuk, Manishiam, Nokiram Festival, Bedikalam Festival, Shadchukra. Shadchukra is celebrated by the Jatniya people every year in the month of April or May. It is a celebration before the sowing season. Every Jatiya farmer waits for this festival before he can begin the sowing of seeds. Crops. Tinda, Prasidra Fustulus, commonly known as Tinda, also called Indian squash, round melon, Indian round ground or apple ground, or Indian baby pumpkin, is a squash-like cucurbit grown for its immature fruit, a vegetable specialty. Popular in South Asia, it is the only member of the genus Prasidrus. The plant is, as with the cucurbits, a prolific vine and is grown as an annual. Fruits. Passiflora edulis, commonly known as passion fruit, is a vine species of passion flower native to southern Brazil through Paraguay and northern Argentina. It is cultivated commercially in tropical and subtropical areas for its sweets, seedy fruit. The fruit is a pepo, a type of berry, round to oval, either yellow or dark purple at maturity, with a soft to firm, juicy interior filled with numerous seeds. Flowers. Aloe vera is a succulent plant species of the genus Aloe, an evergreen perennial. It originates from the Arabian Peninsula but grows wild in tropical, semi-tropical and arid climates around the world. It is cultivated for agricultural and medicinal uses. The species is also used for decorative purposes and grows successfully indoors as a potted plant. Yoga, a chakra is an energy centered in the human body as South in Indian yoga and some related culture. The 7 chakras are described as being presented in ascending column from the base of the spine of the head. The crown chakra, the third eye chakra, the throat chakra, the heart chakra, the solar plexus chakra, the sacral chakra, the base root chakra. Muladhar, Swastin, Manipur, Anahat, Vishuddha, Agya, Sahasrara. Universe, Mount Opo, also known locally as Opo Sandava, is a large sulfatic dormant stratovolcano on the island of the Mindanao, Philippines, with an elevation of 2,954 meters above sea level. It's the highest mountain in the Philippine archipelago and is located between Davao City and Davao del Sur provinces in region. Cotabo. Mount Opo is a protected area and a natural part of the Philippines. Mathematics, if the initial term of the arithmetic progression is even and the common difference of successive members is d, then the 9th term of the sequence is given. Ayurveda, Tribulus terrestris, is an annual plant in the Caltra family, widely distributed around the world. It is adapted to grow in dry climate locations in which few other plants can survive. It is native to warm temperate and tropical regions in southern Eurasia and Africa. It has been uniquely introduced to North America and Australia and aggressive and hardy invasive species. T. terrestris is widely known as a noxious weed because of its small, woody fruit, the bud having long, sharp and strong spines which easily penetrate surfaces such as the bare feet or thin shoes of the crop workers and other pedestrians, the rubber of bicycle tires and the mouth and skin of grazing animals. Village town Para, Goa. Para is a village in Bardi sub-district, North Goa, India. It is close to the town of Mapusha and the villages of the Shaligao, Kalanguti, Ashangao, Anchua and Vagatur. Para covers quite a vast land area but most of its agricultural land with pockets of residential land. It is also quite close to Panjim city, the capital of Goa. A resident of Para is popularly known as a polycor. Para is used to be famous for sweet red watermelons. Today's event, International Day of Democracy Day in Azerbaijan, Thailand, Shilpa Bahrishi Day, World Lymphoma Awareness Day, International Weather News. There is alert in country parts of rain. Today's temperature in Patna 26 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 27 degrees Celsius. Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, also known as Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai, is the governing civic body of Mumbai, the capital city of Maharashtra. It is India's richest municipal corporation. MCGM annual budget exceeds that of some India's smaller states. It was established under the Bombay Municipal Corporation Act 1888. MCGB is responsible for the civic infrastructure and administration of the city and some suburbs. In 2015, Trishna Vishwarao became the first female corporator to serve as its leader. Today's for that's all I take for tomorrow. Live, stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.